The first step in downloading and installing the Dulux Color add-in for Revit is to choose the appropriate version for your region. After selecting and downloading the correct version, you may receive a warning due to the file type being executable. Don't be alarmed, but make sure you select Keep, not Discard, via your desired web browser. Once downloaded, double-click on the Install package to begin the installation process. Accept the Dulux Color add-in for Revit terms and conditions. If you have multiple versions of Revit on your system, it will install for all versions. If you are deploying the software across an organization, a material naming JSON settings file can be pre-configured and distributed along with the installation. The Dulux Color add-in for Revit is now installed and ready for use. It is located in the Add-ins tab in Revit. Thank you for taking the time to learn a little more about the Dulux Color add-in for Revit. We hope you find this to be a valuable tool for adding Dulux products within Revit. Dulux BIM Solutions, inspiring creativity.